I believe that when you cook from scratch, you can put the best of everything into your meal. In this episode, I'm going to share Mexican cuisine dinner meal menu. Cooking from scratch means buying more basic ingredients. It means probably using more fruits and vegetables and less pre-made sauces loaded with sugar and salt. Welcome to Bhavna's kitchen. I'm going to start with making homemade salsa. Into the food processor, take onion, colorful bell peppers, garlic, serrano or jalapeno pepper, cilantro, and I'm using canned diced tomato. I use canned diced tomato just to preserve the salsa longer for about a couple of weeks, but you can use fresh tomatoes if you are using the salsa same day. Salt, ground cumin, and lime juice. Cover and run the processor, and there we have salsa ready. Salsa to go with corn tortilla chips. Here I have pressure boiled black beans. Just crush using the fork, and you can season however you like. Next, I'm going to show you my quick version of enchilada sauce today. Basically, instant enchilada sauce. Into the pot, take 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of flour. Cook the flour slightly till it changes the color. 1/4 cup paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, salt to taste. Ready to add water. In the beginning, just add a little bit of water, mix it all really well, and then add more water as needed. Tomato paste if desired, vinegar, and bring sauce to boil. Thickness of the sauce can be adjusted as per your liking. Enchilada sauce is ready. For preparing brown rice, take 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. To that, add paprika, little bit of turmeric, salt, and place it into your rice cooker. Cover the pot half open to prevent mess. Rice is ready as well. To prepare corn tortillas, take 2 cups of corn flour. I'm using yellow corn flour. 1/4 cup of oat flour. Salt. Mix all ingredients really well. And I'm going to use my Rotimatic machine to prepare corn tortillas. So I'm going to fill up the flour container, warm water, and oil container, and let Rotimatic do its own job. And here I have the corn tortillas ready. Now to assemble the enchiladas, take enchilada sauce at the bottom of the baking tray. In another plate, take more enchilada sauce and dip corn tortillas into the enchilada sauce to make them soft so they can be rolled easily. Place the stuffing, in my case it's going to be black beans. Roll tight and start arranging into the baking tray like so, and again drizzle some more enchilada sauce on the top. Sprinkle your favorite cheese on the top, and the enchilada tray is ready to go into the preheated oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 20 minutes. To prepare guacamole, into the food processor, take avocados, cilantro, salt, lemon juice, and run the food processor, and the guacamole is ready in no time. Finally, it's time for the family dinner. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.